Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever confused the words absorption and adsorption? That one letter makes a massive scientific difference. Let's start with absorption with a B. This is when a substance completely enters the volume of another. The molecules are drawn deep inside and spread evenly throughout the entire material. It's a volume thing. Now, for adsorption with a D, this is when molecules stick only to the surface of a material. They don't go inside. They just cling tightly to the outer boundary, creating a thin film. B is for bulk. It goes inside. D is for docking. It parks on the surface. You see absorption every day. Paper towels soaking up spills, or plants drinking water through their roots. Adsorption is used for cleaning. Water filters use activated carbon to trap chemical impurities right on their surface. Activated carbon is amazing because it's full of microscopic cracks, giving it a massive surface area for docking. More surface area means more adsorption. 1 gram of carbon has the surface area of a football field. Gas masks use this too. Toxic molecules are adsorbed onto the filter's surface, keeping your lungs safe. What if both happen at the same time? Scientists just call that general process sorption. Can we reverse it? Yes. Heating it up causes the molecules to detach. We call this desorption. The stuff getting stuck is the adsorbate. The surface doing the grabbing is the adsorbent. Understanding this difference helps engineers design better ways to clean our drinking water and stop air pollution. Remember, absorption sucks it deep into the volume. Adsorption just sticks it to the surface. From a simple sponge to high-tech pollution filters, science is everywhere. Stay curious and keep growing. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.